Hello students, it is a video of Maths 2. Lesson number 5 is going on, that is coordinate geometry, and it is a video number 18 of the lesson coordinate geometry. Practice set 5.3 we will start today because in the previous video I explained you about slope. So today we will solve the exercise which is related to the slope. First question of the exercise is, you open the textbook and keep in front of you page number 121. See, the first question is here. Angles made by the line with the positive directions of x-axis are given. Find the slope of these lines. So yesterday when in the previous video when I explained you about the slope, there I explain you trigonometry in the slope. So slope is equal to tan theta. Slope is equal to tan theta, and this concept will help us here to solve the question number 1. The first angle is given, that is 45 degree. Now 45 degree is equal to theta. It is the measure of theta. And if theta is given, that means you know the tan 45. The value of tan 45 you know. Then you can substitute it because tan theta is equal to slope. So see now how you will represent on the paper. In the question it is said that angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis. So here theta is equal to 45 degree. You can copy down the part of the question. I am writing here directly. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Which theta? The angle made by the line with the positive direction of x-axis, and that is theta. It is 45 degree. Slope of the line. Yesterday I told you, slope of line which we show by M is equal to tan theta. And so M is equal to tan theta. That means M is equal to tan 45. And we have a value of tan 45. In trigonometry you learn the values of this, all the trigonometric ratios. So tan 45 equal to 1. And so here we can put the value here in the box. We have to highlight that. What is the value of tan 45? Tan 45 is equal to 1. So M is equal to 1. That means finally you can say slope of line is equal to 1. So simple example it is. Most of the time it is there in the question paper for 1 mark or for multiple choice question. So you should know how we have to solve it, because slope is equal to tan theta. Then we'll see the example number 3 from the same question 1. Here theta is equal to 90 degrees given. Third is 90 degree. That means theta is equal to 90 degree. So you can say slope of line, that is M, is equal to tan theta. Means M is equal to tan 90. And try to remember the value of tan 90 from the trigonometry. Tan 90 cannot define. Tan 90 is not defined. And so slope of line of the given angle is not defined. So slope of the given line is not defined. Then see the example number 2 also. It is given 60 degree. Second, it is 60 degree. That means theta is equal to 60 degree. Means you can say slope of line M is equal to tan theta, and so M is equal to tan 60. And the value of tan 60 is root 3. And so the slope of line is root 3. So M is equal to root 3. Means you can say slope of line is root 3. It is simple but important. I said these questions are always, it is there in the question paper, board question paper, for multiple choice question or 1 mark question. And so you should know these trigonometric values, how to make the use of tan to getting the slope. So you revise this whatever I showed you, and also revise the formulae of slope. In the next video we will see the remaining questions. Thank you.